In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill text with an image in PowerPoint. If you're looking to add a creative and visually appealing touch to your presentations, using an image to fill your text can be a striking way to do so. In just a few easy steps, you'll learn how to enhance your slides and make your text stand out, all while giving your presentation that extra pop. So, let's dive right in and start with your PowerPoint. First things first, you'll want to click on the Windows icon located at the bottom left side of your screen to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you can either open an existing presentation or create something new from scratch. After selecting or creating your presentation, you might want to add some photos, tables, or other content to give your slides some context and depth. With your slides set up, we'll move on to working with the text. Next, decide which text you want to fill with an image. Click and drag your cursor over the text area to highlight it. This step is crucial as it tells PowerPoint which text you intend to fill with an image. With your text selected, attention now turns to the ribbon at the top, where you'll look for the Shape Format or Format tab. This tab houses several styling options that we'll use shortly. Within the Format tab, locate the option for Text Fill, which is sometimes nestled in the Shape Styles or Text Effects section. Click on the Text Fill drop-down menu, which presents you with different fill options. Here, you'll want to select Picture or Texture Fill. This option allows you to fill your text with an image, creating that unique visual effect we're aiming for. Once you've selected Picture or Texture Fill, you'll notice a side panel or dialog box appears. At this moment, click on Insert to choose your image source. You have the flexibility to insert a picture from your computer files, stock images provided by Microsoft, or even search online. This versatility ensures you can always find the perfect image for your text. Now, it's time to select the image you wish to use. Browse through your chosen source. Find the image that complements your slide's theme or your text's message, and then hit Insert. Instantly, the picture will appear within your highlighted text, filling it with vibrant imagery and creating a harmonious blend between your text and the image. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to fill text with an image in PowerPoint. Your slides are now not only informative, but also aesthetically engaging. This technique is handy for catching your audience's attention and making presentations that people remember. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires your next presentation to new creative heights.